Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm participating in a challenge put together by HEIDI SONBOUL. She's one of my new YouTube friends who loves all the things that I like. For example, organization, DIYs. So today she has invited me to participate in this collaboration / challenge, and it is going to be about decluttering of a storage area. She said any type of storage, so I decided to share it with you because it's a kind of something that not everybody decides to show. Hopefully it's a rare thing. Instead of showing my closet, which has bunch of junk in it, and I'm going to go there as well, but today I'm going to show you my decluttering and organization of. Let's go to my bedroom now. I'm going to start organizing this messy area, which has all my blouses and my pants, these two shelves. As I'm done with organizing all the tops and jackets that I'm wearing outside, first I'm going to empty everything on this first shelf. The bottom shelf has more pants and more blouses, so the first shelf I almost know what I have. These are my blouses and pants. I'm a pants girl. Here are my pantyhoses, socks and stockings, and my nightwear for summertime. Take out all the packaging because see there? All those packages are filling out the space right away. But when you take out from the packaging, you have lots of space to go and to be used. Well, I'm in the middle of the sorting process, and let me show you how much junk came out of these small two boxes. This is what I have to throw away. Here are the pantyhoses. These are kind of warm weather socks. These are the pantyhoses. These are kind of long socks going over the knee socks. I have a couple of socks for wearing at home. And here I have empty space, and that box has still to be cleared. Recently I bought 2 packs of these warm socks, but after my today's project I've emptied lots of space for both my socks, and one of them I already finished organizing and arranging, and now the second pack I have lots of space for it. To go ahead and organize your own storage area for your socks and stockings and pantyhoses. I was also able to put together this container with sleepwear for warm weather. As the cold weather season is coming by, I'm storing the warm weather sleepwear in the back of my wardrobe, and in the front I'm going to put my socks and pantyhoses. Hope my organizational project has motivated you, and if this was your first visit to my channel, please don't forget to put your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more projects like this one. Stay well and organized. See you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.